called my hair salon slash my nail salon, and I'm gonna have a hair makeover. For everyone that knows me, that's huge. So, what am I going to do today? I'm going to change my hair, right? Because, well, first of all, I love my hair. It's giving me such confidence and I seriously love it. But I just feel like I'm going to be facing a lot of changes, and I'm going, as for right now, going through changes, and I just feel like a new haircut is appropriate for the situation that I'm currently in and will be in. So yeah, recently we've just reached the 5,000 subscribers and I'm so excited, you guys. I've never thought this was possible whatsoever, and yeah, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna insert inspirational pictures and hope for the best. So this is what it looks like. I don't like it at all. Like, I kind of dig it, but at the same time I don't, so I'm trying to figure it out what to do with this. Like, the guy was super sweet and everything, and he kind of did what I asked for, just that I'm not used to bangs at all. And yeah, now I'm going to shower to see if the situation gets better, because he put a lot of volume on my bang and I want something more subtle. But yeah, you know what? The good side of it all is that I can put it for the sides and it's like nothing has ever happened. So yeah, and I also colored my hair a little bit lighter, which I asked for more extra, but I guess it's okay. At least it's not bad. I like it, and you know, the color is nice. Yeah, I'm a shower because I can't look at myself right now. I'm sorry. I know it looks good somehow, but not now, not where I am at this point. What did I do? Why do I put myself through this? It's fine. I like it. Yeah. No, I can't even fake it. I'm just gonna go to the shower and see if it gets better or not. If it does, If it doesn't, it grows back, right? See if this gets better. If it doesn't, crap. So this was the best that I could do. I'm so mad because I'm not liking it. Not yet, at least. I will work with it. I will try to see what kind of hairstyles go better, what kind of clothes go better, or whatever. Haven't done my makeup yet too, so kind of all over the place. I don't like it. I'm having a breakdown. It's fine. It's workable. I can do some things with it. Who am I kidding? It's fine. Not that bad, right? Update. I kinda work it through. I like it now. Kinda. It's growing on me. Kinda. It's fine. Okay? We'll be okay. Just some tip. Whenever you're bored, don't do nothing. Just lay down, watch TV show. It's fine. Because I'm dangerous when I'm bored, and then this happens and I just keep zooming in, but actually I just want to zoom out so you can see on detail. Hi. Yeah, so that was today's video. I really like my haircut. It's been 36 hours, I guess. And I've just been loving it more and more. The thing is that I need to kind of learn how to wing this, but it's fine. We're getting there. It's okay. But yeah, besides that, this was my hair makeover. I'm so happy. I have a new attitude and I'm loving it. And yeah, so I've just wanted to do this for so long, and I finally had the guts to do it, and I just feel amazing. So yeah, I've been loving this haircut. And yeah, this is today's video. I hope you really liked this video because it was such a huge makeover for me. Like, it doesn't seem that big, but I was not used to this. It's a process. But yeah, that was today's video. I really hope you